Jaecoo Malaysia just gave a 1-to-1 car replacement to an owner of the Omoda C9, which is quite incredible here in Malaysia because we don't really have a lemon law. So the story here is, which I'll link in the comment section down below, this guy bought an Omoda C9, but just after 2 days of use, there was a gearbox failure. Now obviously this is a huge problem, and after investigation by Jaecoo, they found out that the gearbox is in fact faulty and they offered a replacement for the gearbox. But the owner understandably was not happy with this solution. Instead, he asked for a 1-to-1 replacement. He wants a brand new car basically. And surprisingly enough, Jaecoo agreed, or rather that particular dealer agreed to that arrangement. Of course, the process is a little bit complicated because the dealership actually had to settle the bank loan for that car first, repurchase it, and then apply for a new loan for a new car. But after 28 days, the owner received a brand new Omoda C9, and from the Facebook posting, it seems like there is no issue at all with this car. And to me, I find it really incredible that this dealership is willing to give the owner a brand new car. More often than not, a car manufacturer, especially here in Malaysia, wouldn't offer you a brand new car just because you have an issue within the first few days after delivery. But there is a bit of a backstory that is worth noting here. The owner is actually quite close to the supervisor of this particular dealership. According to him, he has bought many different cars from this particular guy, which was his senior at the school, apparently. But still, the fact remains that he got a brand new Omoda C9 because of a gearbox failure with his 2-day-old car. That's incredible. I have personally not heard of any car brand that offers such a service, whether it's a premium brand or a more mainstream brand. So kudos to Jaecoo for that. There have been many cases in the past where a brand new car has issues and they don't get a new car as a replacement. Rather, they will get it fixed and that's it. That's the extent of the service that they will get. And this really highlights the fact that we need a proper lemon law here in Malaysia. Just imagine you bought a brand new car with your hard-earned money just for it to have issues straight out of delivery and there is nothing that you can do. That's insane. Sure, you can complain all you want, but as long as the law doesn't explicitly make car manufacturers replace faulty new cars with a 1-to-1 replacement, there is very little chance of you actually getting that kind of deal. I shouldn't even say it's a deal because you really should be getting exactly what you paid for. On the bright side, there are actually ongoing efforts to introduce a lemon law of some sorts in Malaysia, and I personally cannot wait for that day to happen. After all, it only makes sense for consumers to get exactly what they paid for, and a lemon law is one great solution to that particular problem.